Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm making one of my husband's favorites, and that's a banana pudding. Now, when my mom used to make a banana pudding, she would cook the custard and everything on the stove, and I never learned to do that, and my husband would rather have the one that I make, although I would rather have the one my mama made. But this one is made with sweetened condensed milk and whipping cream, and it's really good. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and I hope you're having a great day. And so without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1½ cups of cold water, a 4 serving size package of instant vanilla pudding. You'll need 2 cups or 1 pint of heavy whipping cream. You'll need 36 vanilla wafers. We like the vanilla wafer brand. You'll need 3 medium bananas, and you'll want to dip that into lemon juice. You'll want to begin by whisking together your sweetened condensed milk and your cold water. Now you'll want to add in your instant pudding and mix that really well. After it's all mixed together, you want to put it in your refrigerator for about 5 minutes and let it chill. And while that's happening, I'm going to go ahead and beat my whipping cream. Now after that 5 minutes is up, you want to fold in your whipping cream into your pudding mixture and just get it all combined really well. But be gentle, you don't want it to deflate. Just keep folding it until you don't see any more white streaks. Now you want to slice your bananas and dip them into the lemon juice. The lemon juice keeps them from turning brown. Now, banana pudding was also one of my daddy's favorites, and he loved my mama's banana pudding. But he liked mine as well, but of course, you know, my mama's is going to be the best. She cooked hers and made the custard, and he was like a kid on Christmas getting to lick that bowl, or the boiler, I should say. And we worked together, and I invited him over for lunch on his lunch break one day, and I had banana pudding. And when my husband come home, he couldn't believe that my daddy had ate almost all of my banana pudding, or all of his banana pudding, because my husband considered it his. So he still remembers that after all these years. It was funny. Now you just want to lay your vanilla wafers, just put a layer on over the pudding. You want to add about a cup of the pudding down first. And you'll have 3 layers of the pudding and 2 layers of the bananas and vanilla wafers. And you want to take your bananas, and after you slice them up, and just dip them in the lemon juice and just put them over the vanilla wafers. And I used just a little bit more than a banana, I believe, or maybe I just used 1, because your bowl's smaller at the bottom, at least this one is. So I made sure I had room to have more bananas at the top. Now I'm just going to add about half of the pudding that I have left and cover that and repeat with the vanilla wafers and the banana slices. and then I'll cover it with the last layer of pudding. Now just add some vanilla wafers to the top just to kind of make it look pretty. And I had to give that one a sample since that little piece fell out. You know, cook's privilege. And here it is. This was so good. My husband really, really enjoyed it, as well as my sons. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all, this was really good. I hope you give it a try. It's not my mama's banana pudding, but it's good in its own right. But I sure do miss my mama's banana pudding. So I hope y'all have a great, wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye, y'all.